Hello, welcome to Nana's Crafty Corner. I am out here at Rachel's and she's got the cutest little chicken house. Look at that. And all her chickens, and she's got roosters and ducks.
No, Tommy.
There's a black one, a brown.
Go to the house.
She's got 2 eggs. She just started laying eggs. Can you see the ones up there? Cute. They're snuggling. Let me see if I can get some more closer. Let me pull this out. Oh, I'm tired. My back hurts so bad. I just come from Walmart. I thought I'd show everybody Rachel's chickens. And turkeys are cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, quack. That duck is so pretty. Oh. And here's her puppies. They're Siberian Huskies. Not that one. That one there isn't. Roo, 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 roo. Okay. Oh, here comes another one. Ain't they beautiful? What's your baby's name?
Lulu.
Lulu. This one.
Lulu?
That's Lulu. What's Mama's? Nala?
Yes.
What's the little brown puppy's name? What's his name? Star. Yeah, they're beautiful babies. Alrighty. Come out here so I could get some Tupperware to stuff in. So I will see you later, and quack quack. Have a nice day and stay safe.